JavaScript, JS, is a scripting language, primarily used on the web. It is used to enhance HTML pages and is commonly found embedded in HTML code. JavaScript is an interpreted language. Thus, it doesn't need to be compiled. JavaScript renders web pages in an interactive and dynamic fashion. This allowing the pages to react to events, exhibit special effects, accept variable text, validate data, create cookies, detect a user's browser, etc. Learning JavaScript opens many career opportunities. JavaScript developers are in very high demand from small startups to the big companies and are well paid. It is easy to learn JavaScript as it has a more natural language feel to it, making it easier for new developers to learn from. JavaScript is the default language of the browser, which means you can build anything using it and share it with everyone. The possibilities of development are endless as JavaScript is a very versatile language. You can code web, mobile and desktop apps using many branches of JavaScript such as React, Angular, Node and more. JavaScript is also a client-side script, speeding up the execution of the program as it saves the time required to connect to the server.